Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a tuna melt. This is my first time doing it. I'm kind of into now like doing some fast, easy food, that are somewhat healthy. This one is like fish and other ingredients. Um, so yeah, I'm using the tuna in water over there, pickles, butter. I have two kinds of cheese. I'm gonna do the pepper jack and then the regular Swiss cheese over there, and then some mayo and the sourdough bread. Yeah, let's go ahead and start the prepping. So that prep, I open the can of the tuna in water. I'm gonna preserve the water because I'm gonna mix it with the broth. I'm gonna mix it with the with Max's dry food so that he would eat it more. He might not like it at first because again, even though like a lot of my dogs like want to eat the broth, but he hadn't done it before, so I'm not sure what his reaction to the tuna water would be. I'm guessing I'm gonna find out anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna drain this one, and then because again we're just gonna use the actual tuna on the actual tuna melt. I feel like this is gonna be a lot, so I'm gonna preserve some of them, and if I do another batch tomorrow. So I'm just gonna drain it, and then I'm gonna mix the water, the broth, or I'm not sure if you call it broth, but I mean it's probably broth. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the tuna on a separate bowl and then start mixing the ingredients. I'm gonna break the chunks a bit, kind of like make it more easier to mix. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to slice the pickles too. Yeah, so I'm gonna slice it like crosswise, just like not really like crosswise lengthwise, just like crosswise. Yeah, this afternoon too, like I saw like the Pokemon Mega Evolution ETB from Poke Center is, available for pre-order, and I did try to pre-order, but the thing is like the transaction got triggered as fraudulent activity by my bank, and it didn't went through, and I got like kicked out from the Pokemon Center because of that. So I was like, all right, it's meant to be not getting it. So, but I'm mixing the ingredients, the pickles, the onions, and mayo, and other stuff over here. Again, lime juice, calamansi. So I'm just mixing everything so that it's well combined. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to because I got an email from Pokemon Center too about the black bolt and white bolt that I ordered, so it's on its way now. I'm just gonna open the black bolt, not the white bolt, because I'm gonna probably start doing a master set collection for black bolt. All right, so I'm gonna start heating up the pan, but I'm gonna prep the bread first. So I'm using a sourdough bread. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, like if you use a regular white bread for this, because again, every time I watch some videos about tuna melt, they use a sourdough. I'm guessing because it's more, it would take longer for it to get burnt or cooked. That's why I use sourdough compared to white bread, because white bread probably like gets, toasted fast. I'm not sure, so I might need to read something about it first. But again, I'm just gonna put like a butter spread on the outside part, like the one's gonna be actually fried on the pan, or grilled, sorry. and then just leave the inside. So I'm using the butter that I have. I should probably like have like if I can use like a plain butter, I would do it, because this butter that I'm using right now is the one I use for my cookie dough. So it has cinnamon on it. So I'm guessing if I use this one, it's gonna burn quicker than a regular butter, because like it has like more sugar in it. So I'm using it again. I'm just gonna like estimate the, or watch carefully, you know, that it's not gonna get burned like fast, because I set the heat like low to medium, just to like see, you know, how fast, because I don't want to like have the sourdough cook fast and then the cheese is not even melted yet, you know. So I'm trying to like balance out the cooking time of the cheese, the tuna, and the bread itself. Alright, so I prepped the outside one, so just one side, and then I'm gonna actual layer it now. We're gonna do the tuna first. You know, I'm just gonna spread it evenly, because again, you don't want to put too much that, especially, you know, like you're thinking about like cooking, so you're not gonna put too much that it's not gonna get cooked, and then, you know, like your bread is already cooked and then the tuna is still not like heated well, so you have to like think about that too. And then I'll put in some cheese. So I'm gonna use 2 cheddar cheese over here, and then 1 pepper jack, and then another layer of cheddar. I forgot if it's cheddar cheese or Swiss, but just a regular cheese, you know, not really like the fancy one. But the pepper jack would be, I think it's more spicy, right? It's pepper jack, or it has like spice a bit. And I'm gonna add another layer of the cheddar cheese, and then we're gonna start grilling it. Right, so I'm gonna spray the pan first. Gonna let it heat a bit. Again, the heat that I used was low to medium. So when I did that earlier, it was like I can already like, you know, feel like warm air from going up to from the pan. So I'm gonna heat it up a bit, and it's gonna like estimate, because I don't want to get the bread overburnt, especially the cinnamon on the butter. And you know, it's gonna be challenging to flip it, because I don't want the inside to like, yeah, it's kind of burnt a bit. Again, I was like already like thinking about this one because of the cinnamon. Yeah, I'm just gonna like let it stay until like the cheese is more actually melted. And after that, after I put it on the board, I'm just gonna slice it like diagonal, because again, they were saying that it's gonna taste better if you do it that way instead of like doing it halfway and like crosswise. So it looks like this. Again, it's my first time doing this one. It looks good, but I'm guessing there's maybe more better than this, but it would taste good, because again, like, you know, it's a tuna and then cheese, and even though it's kind of like burnt on a bit, but it should taste fine. But Alright guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Take care, have a nice day.